Next, let us see what are different types of matrices. So we have various kind of matrices that is available with us. So let me discuss few of the matrices with you. So the first one that we shall discuss is the rectangular matrix. So any matrix where the order is not symmetrical. By symmetrical, what do I mean? That means the number of rows here, they are not equal to number of columns. So if I am representing the order of any matrix as m cross n, so that means I am having m rows and n columns, right? So here in this case for the rectangular matrix, m would not be equal to n, right? For example, the matrix, this one where we have 2 rows and 3 columns, say this is the matrix 1 1 2 0 1 3, right? So in this case we have 2 rows, and so this way 1 row, second row, and 3 columns, first column, second column, and third column. So the order is 2 cross 3, and in this case you can see this 2 is not equal to 3. So therefore the number of rows is not equal to number of columns. So this is a rectangular matrix. Next, for the square matrix, if we have the order of this kind m cross m, that means the number of rows is equal to the number of columns, then we say that matrix to be a square matrix. For example, I have given you the example for 3 cross 3 matrix. Now let me give you an example for 2 cross 2 matrix. So the matrix could be 1 2 5 8, anything of this kind. So this is one square matrix having order 2, right? It has 2 rows and 2 columns. Next, another category is that of row matrix. Now by row matrix, it is clear that we are only going to have a row in the particular matrix. So only the rows are present. So that means no more columns would be there. So that means only one column would be there. So what is the structure of this matrix? So it would be sorry, this is not correct. So let me give you first of all the example for this row matrix, matrix A. So here it would have the shape of a row. So that means you can have element here, 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 and here, and so on. So in this case, we have how many rows? Only one row would be there. One row is present, right? So in this case, we have one row and how many columns? 4 columns. So you see first, second, third, and fourth. So this is the row matrix. Only one row with number of columns as much as you required. And in a similar manner, we can also define the column matrix. So the example for column matrix is it could have just one column, right? And it could have many rows. So for example, 5, 4, 0, 1, 2. So in this case, you see we only have one column, and how much is the rows? Number of rows 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you see 5 cross 1 is the number of rows here. This is the order. 5 cross 1 is the order. 5 is the number of rows and 1 is the number of column. So this is the column matrix. Now let us talk about diagonal matrix. Now we can only talk about diagonal matrix whenever the matrix is square. So in this case, what could be the matrix? First of all, let me write down any 3 cross 3 matrix. So in this case, what could be the diagonal matrix? A matrix having entries only on the diagonal. So you see, what was the general structure of any matrix? By the name, it would be A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and then A31, A32, and A33. 3, 3, right? So now you see what is the diagonal of this matrix. This is the diagonal. So we only have numbers which are present at this location, and all other numbers here, this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, this one, they all are 0. So that means I can write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 here. So this is the diagonal matrix where the only numbers are present at the diagonal of the matrix. So therefore the matrix has to be a square matrix. Another example of diagonal matrix is, say, suppose I am now taking 2 cross 2 matrix, so 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is another example of diagonal matrix. Now then, what is the scalar matrix? Scalar matrix is a particular form of diagonal matrix. By a diagonal matrix and by a scalar matrix, what do I mean? Suppose I have some matrix like this: 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So only on the diagonal elements are present, and moreover all the elements here has to be same. In that case, we call the diagonal matrix to be the scalar matrix, because on the diagonal matrix the entries could be different, but in scalar matrix they has to be the same. Okay, and moreover, if I take a more particular case for the scalar matrix, if the entries are just 1 and nothing else, so that means I am saying we have all zeros except the diagonals. So at diagonals we surely want the number 1. So this is for 3 cross 3 matrix. For 2 cross 2 matrix it would be 1, 0, 0, 1, right? This is 2 cross 2. And if I talk about 4 cross 4 matrix, so it should be 1, 0, 0, 0, then 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 0, 1. So you see on the diagonal we have the element as 1. So in this case we have a 4 cross 4 order matrix with 4 as the number of rows and 4 as the number of columns, and on the diagonal we have the number 1. So you see we have to have a square matrix. It should be diagonal, it should be a scalar matrix, and moreover the scalar that we are using has to be 1. So this is the identity matrix. So this is a very useful matrix in many cases. We will see later how. Next category is zero matrix. So what is a zero matrix? Where all the entries, that means all the numbers that we are using are zeros, right? So one example is 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. Another example is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0, 0. So how much is the order here? 4 cross 4. So this is a 4 cross 4 matrix, which is a zero matrix, right? Okay. Now we have another classification also, which is known as the triangular matrix. So let us first of all see what is a triangular matrix. For studying this triangular matrix, it is quite obvious from the name that suppose I am taking the 3 cross 3 matrix. So now I am saying I have numbers which are taking the form of the triangle only. So you see, this is the form of triangle, and all the other entries, this one, and this one, that is 0. So this is the triangular matrix where the entries or the numbers are only present in the form of triangle. Say this is matrix A. Suppose I am taking another matrix B, which is this time is say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and everywhere else I am having 0. So you see here also I am having the entries in the form of triangle. So this is also another kind of triangular matrix. However, what is the difference? This is the upper triangular matrix. Here the triangle is made at the upper corner, and this one is a lower triangular matrix. So this is another name for matrix, right? So this is the major classification. Next, we also have certain special kind of matrices. One is orthogonal matrix, one is unitary matrix, one is skew Hermitian matrix, and one is Hermitian matrix, then skew symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix. So before going into this classification, we have to understand certain things. So let's see them first and then proceed on to these classifications.